foundation. This time I want to do a Shamrock type of St. Patrick's Day. Even though it's only one day, I actually love St. Patrick's Day because, of course, I have Irish in me. So it's kind of like, hopefully I'll get to, travel to Ireland one day, if that's, or Swedish, or wherever exactly all the redheads are. Just that would be a crazy day. Go into one country and then just a bunch of redheads everywhere, because usually I think the world's made up of like 1% of redheads. So yeah, it would be cool. But hopefully y'all had a great Valentine's Day and enjoyed the little tutorial of my Valentine's makeup. If you like all my other videos, and I hope you enjoy this video, then please don't forget to subscribe right now and like this video. And I do try to do at least one video a week. I'm trying to get into the habit of doing a lot more. I even thought about one time doing makeup daily videos because I'm just super passionate about makeup, and I learned that over editing a lot of different videos. Okay, so I'm going to wind up doing my eyes first, and then the foundation and powder and contouring and all that after. But I did my eyebrows, even though they're not like the best shape or anything. I did my eyebrows first. So okay, there's gonna be multiple palettes going on, so I'll try to like name them as I go, and then I'll try to list them down below in the description. So I'm learning how to do all this stuff because I actually eventually want to be a makeup artist one day. So bear with me. I'm learning. Okay, so this palette has never failed me. Has never failed to give me color and everything I need, because basically like St. Patrick's Day colors are all in here. Then I'm going to go in with this palette to start off with, and then finish off with some other palettes. So to start with, I want to have a little bit different. I've seen people do brown for the transition back color, but I think I'm actually going to take purple. I don't know why. I want something different, not everyone else's stuff. So I'm going to wind up taking like a plumish purple color, and then start off with a transition kind of in the middle, like a pink plum purple, something like that, and then build up from there. So it's gonna be different, but just bear with me. Okay, so to start with, we are going to take, I want to start with that for the transition color, and then build up from there. So okay, so going in with a little bit darker purple, and I'm going to go in with this one. Sorry if my nails are like all messed up. I tried to paint them before the video so they'd be cute, and didn't realize they were like still completely wet when I started. So I'm going to leave that how it is, and then start building with the green. I don't know why I wanted like a purple background, like a purple plum background. I don't know. Just wanted to be different. Okay, so thinking. Alright, I'm going to take this color, and then start going into the crease and the eye and everything. Going to take this color, and then put it closer to the inner eye. I'm probably just gonna keep on wiping off this brush and then getting new colors, so wiping it off on just the toilet paper roll and then getting new colors, because this is the It Cosmetics 4-in-1 where it goes like this or whatever, and it picks up the most pigment compared to the 2 Urban Decay brushes. So I don't know if I'm not using them right or what, but this seems to pick up a lot more. So okay, I just want to show y'all. I don't know if y'all can tell. Like, it shows that it has, but then when I go, okay, I'm gonna try to show y'all if I can. Okay, this is this brush, the Urban Decay brush, and then this is this one. I don't know if y'all can tell, but this side seems to have more packed on there. So, alright, going to take this color and then keep that towards the outer eye. And I'm actually going to go up one on the brush, which is says the crease. Going to try to take this brush and then stay to the outer corner and take I guess the next one up. Just do that in a patting motion because I really don't want to blend it because I want that bold color behind it. So okay, going to take a different It Cosmetics brush and then start doing a little bit of kind of blending but with different colors. So I want to take that blue color up here. Going to take an e.l.f. brush, and this is just it says contour brush, and then going to pat in a darker color for the outer. Okay, I'm gonna take the top color, switch brushes. Okay, now I'm gonna take the e.l.f. one. Okay, different palette. Okay, Supernova by BH Cosmetics. Okay, and then take the e.l.f. brush and then go in with Lyra. I'm not good with names, but this color. Okay, gonna go ahead and clean up with a makeup remover wipe, and then going to try and fix some of the looks. So. Okay, with the flat Urban Decay electric brush, then I'm just going to pick up the Tarte Shape Tape and concealer, and then try to do a half cut crease and see how well that works. I've never done that. I mean, I've done cut creases, but not like a half cut, or at least I don't remember. So that just looks completely crazy, but whatever. Alright, try not to look up too much right this second, so that way the crease, everything doesn't like touch too much. With a flat brush, I want to take Lounge for the outer corner. And this is the Urban Decay Afterdark palette. So, Lounge. Okay, with a different brush and palette, Supernova. I don't know how much y'all can see because I'm trying to look back at the mirror to make sure everything's in focus, but okay. And then the color Pisces, and then I'm just gonna blend in until I'm actually gonna wind up doing something, a little wild. Okay, now I'm gonna do the little wild thing that I was talking about. Okay, I swear I can't keep any of my palettes on the outside clean, but Jeffree Star Beauty Killer eyeshadow palette. Okay, so we are I'm not going to completely say the name, but yeah, this color, gold color, this is the color of the gold, and then Urban Decay All Nighter. Okay, Okay, so this is what I have so far, but I'm going to try to find, okay, I guess I'm going to take the angle brush, and then go in with the Urban Decay, Beauty with an Edge palette, and then, so it looks like that, and then, I think that says Indo. Oh, I'm covering up the nail, I'm sorry, y'all. That color. Okay, and then kind of like... So, that's what this looks like. But I'm going to actually go off camera, go off of camera phone video, and let my phone charge for a little bit, and then I am going to add sparkles and glam and maybe even shamrocks and maybe some gold, like little, you know, coins or something. I don't know. I'm gonna add a little bit more, and I would show that on camera, but since my phone like only keeps charged for so long, I would have to like show y'all on a separate time how to do all the other little things if you'll like them. So, alright, I'll be back.
It's a cold-blooded love. It helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love.
Hey y'all. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell that these are supposed to be shamrocks or not. I tried, and then I have the glitter in the corner, the gold glitter in the corner of my eyes, and then I tried to do the half cut crease thing. I don't know, just being silly. But this is what I have for the look, and it literally took like an hour and a half because of like the eyes and everything. That never took that long, but the glitter, I used the eyelash eyelash glue, and then to try to put little glitter down, which is just the dollar nail glitter stuff. I try to make sure it wasn't like too close to the eyes, but I don't know. I think it's really, really cute. I definitely haven't seen anyone else do something like this crazy. I mean, I've seen people do crazy stuff with their makeup and everything, but like as far as like the little shamrock glitter underneath their eyes, I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, to stick around for more these types of videos. Or for more of these types of videos. I cannot talk today, or any day for that fact. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all have a wonderful week and weekend, and my background's trying to follow me. Alright, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day.